In this video, we're going to review the use of the Turnpike spiral microcatheter. You can see that there are several products in the Turnpike family. The Turnpike catheter and the Turnpike LP, or low profile, are the simplest versions. The Turnpike spiral is a little bit more complex, as you can see that it has a spiral profile near the tip. The Turnpike Gold is like the spiral, but it has a metal tip that allows for increased durability. When you open the package, you get the microcatheter in a single hoop, and it's very simple. You just take it out, again you can see the spiral profile near the tip of the catheter. Here it is zoomed in. Now before you use it, you need to flush the microcatheter. Usually it's a little bit easier to flush using a 3cc syringe, but I'm using a 10cc in this case. The wire will enter through the tip of the catheter and will come out the other end. The wire will add a little bit of stability to the catheter and keep it straighter. Now, assuming it's over the wire, you're going to insert the microcatheter, and usually you'll end up with about this much length between your hands. The end of the guide will be near where your left hand is. As you can see, the traditional motion of using a microcatheter like this is to spin the distal end with your right hand, and then you're pushing in very gently with your left hand. You also need to pinch using your pinky finger on the right hand to stabilize the wire and prevent the wire from moving in or out. On the Turnpike spiral specifically, the spiral has a corkscrew pattern. Because of this, you have to rotate your right hand in a clockwise pattern when you're advancing the Turnpike spiral, and then a counterclockwise pattern when you're withdrawing the Turnpike spiral. If you do it in the wrong direction, the spiral pattern is going to be working against you. This directionality is also the same for the Turnpike Gold. For the regular Turnpike and the Turnpike LP, they don't have directionality, and so you can actually turn in a clockwise or counterclockwise pattern.